This is a restoration video of a violin case. It's an American case made by Maulbetsch and Whittmore of New Jersey. These were made from 1901 to the 1940s. This hinge was frozen, rusted in the open position, which caused the case itself to tear. The case is made of pressed fiber, which was very hot technology for its day because it was so light. I'm reinforcing the broken hinge section with a piece of spruce. There are cracks around the lid. I'm patching those with strips of cardstock. And filling the outside with epoxy. It's important to rough up this resin and fiber case material to make the glue stick. Some of the edge cracks are open and have to be pulled back closed with clamps and bands and such. I'm extending the hinge plate on one side by riveting on a piece of aluminum. There is a reinforcing rib at the large end of the lid that is very loose. I'm just gluing that back in place. It's the next day and the clamps are coming off. The lid is a bit warped from spending so many years in a broken position. I'll leave it overnight in this clamp to try to straighten it back out. Now I'm cleaning the space that will receive the modified hinge. Here I'm scuffing up the surface so that the epoxy will hold. This strange stick and string teepee configuration is a spreader to close up another gap in the edge while I patch it. Another overnight in the clamps. These large cuts in the bottom of the case are sealed with epoxy. I'm grinding away the excess and shaping the supports on the inside of the lid so that they'll interfere with closing. I'm doubling up now on the aluminum plates for strength around the hinge. I've reinforced this clasp with a strip of aluminum and epoxy, and I'm going to drill it out now to receive a rivet. Now I'm ready to attach this broken hinge. Just drilling holes for the rivets and epoxying the cavity of the tear out. I found the patent stamp on the back. It says patented April 1st, 1902. I'm cleaning off the epoxy patches. And now I'm ready to dye the case black. I don't want to saturate the surface completely to make it look perfect. It should look like an old case, but one that's been cared for. I'm going to end this video here. Click the button at the end of the video to see the second half of this restoration.